Guys, today we talk about how can you enable sound effects on your LingoDeer app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and you just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, you click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to sound effects, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here sound effects enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.